Hey guys, welcome back to Raymond and the Clan's Adventure. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your own plushie video. So let's get started. So first up, what you need is your plushies. Because since it's a plush video, you're going to need your plushies. So today's example video, we're going to use my main plushie, Glamrock Freddy, this Among Us plushie, a Butter plushie, Squid Game plushie, and not to mention a Molten Freddy. Now let's get started. So now that you have your plushies ready, it's time for the preparation. So what I most recommend you to do is to get any plushies that you want. Example for these plushies. Plus, this is a part 1, so multiple parts will be shown soon. Plus, I have a second channel. Okay, now get back to the video. So, what you're going to need for preparation is light! Lighting is also important because for one reason, it might be able to affect the video that you're going to. For example, if you're doing a dark video and the viewer can't see your plushies, then that's going to be a problem. So you're going to have to turn on some lights or a little bit of lights so that way you can make the plushies visible. Yeah. Also, since that it's going to be a dark video for part 2 of the Five Nights at Freddy's Security Breach series that I'm going to be doing soon once I get the other plushies, I will need a dark scenario where Moon is going to be showing, since that's going to be a part in the daycare soon. Well, anyways, so let's get back to the video. So you're going to want your plushies and plus the camera. The camera is really important because if you have a vlogging camera, that's okay, but make sure to film like this, not in portrait mode like also. But since this is a video where you do this, it's kind of a great way to do this. So not like in portrait mode like how you do TikTok videos, but on how you do this kind of mode, it's perfectly for any kind of video that you want to do. For example, if you're doing portrait mode, you're doing clips of the plushie video, and also you can go and have to import the clips from the clips that you have done for the video. But I'm going to be doing other channels soon. But my gaming channel is already up. So, back to the video once again. So you're going to need your plushies, you're going to need your light, and now what's next? You're going to need some lines or any other kind of dialogue. So, for example, you need something like to do lines. I recommend a notebook so that way you can memorize the storyline and other stuff. Plus, it'll help you more interactive once you do the lines. So, yeah. But for me, it's kind of easy to memorize any kind of lines because I don't need a notebook to do stuff for me. So, yeah. Alright, the other part you need is the scenery. Oh, yeah, I did that accident. So, the scenery is kind of a scene where you have to have the plushies. So, for example, I'm going to be filming somewhere like over here with the drawer, or probably right here. But since it's the kind of way to do it, you have other stuff to do, like figure out what lighting is or the importance of it. But sometimes I would just say that doing a video is kind of important for your channel. So once you have prepared, it's time for part number 2. It's not going to be a separate video, but it's right here now. So, anyways, now the next thing to do is your video. Now, here's what you're going to do. You're going to have the 2 plushies, 3 or 1, that you're going to need to use. For example, my Raymond plushie, my Molten Freddy plushies. So, what we're going to do is like this scene. For example, this is a scene. Hey, Molten Freddy, I can't believe this is another day, but at least we got you now. At least you're a new plushie, so what else do you want to do? And now that you've done one scene, it's time to head to the next scene. It's basically a line where you have to do the scene in order. I have no idea what to do, but since we're at home, any thoughts? But yeah, you have to have a notebook or anything in your mind so that way you could memorize or remember what kind of lines or dialogue you're going to have for your plushies. But for example, sometimes I would just kind of use a notebook so that way you could remember what you're going to use. But for me, I'm just going to figure out on my own. Now, time for part 3, editing. I don't have my computer right now, but sometimes if you use a computer with an editing program, you might have a chance to make it editing and perfectly fine. But once you did the preparation and the recording of the videos, it might be able to be ready to be editing. If you know how to edit, then go to another YouTube channel if you don't know about it. But we're going to skip it since some people know how to make a plush video. Now next for part 4 is uploading. Now, uploading is a different kind of thing. I'm sure many people know about it and how to upload a video. So pretty much you go to create a video, choose create a video, paste the video that you have created right here, and then you upload it to the channel. Make sure to do the details of the video. Wait for a bit of moments so that way the premiere can start, or either you want to upload it regularly, and now it should be uploaded by now. But yeah, that's how to do your plush video. So, any questions? Just leave it down in the comment section below. So that way I'll try and see if I could enable comments, because not that much videos have comments. So, thank you for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys later, or probably see you later on the channel, on my second channel, which is called RATCA Gaming. I'm going to be having it tagged to my channel since none of you can't find it. So, bye.